Have you picked your prom dress yet, Maya? Not yet. I'm still thinking about it. You should hurry, the best ones sell out fast. I will. Thanks. That one is beautiful, but I already know the answer. It's okay. Not everyone needs a fancy dress. Hi, sweetheart. Long day today. I made you some tea, Mom. Sit down. Thank you, Maya. You're so thoughtful. How was work? I heard prom is coming up soon. It is, but it's not a big deal. Are you sure? You could still go. I'm sure, Mom. Let's not worry about it. Oh, that poor sweet girl. She deserves a wonderful night, too. I think I know just what to do. That sweet girl growing up so fast. I remember when her mother was that age. I wonder how they're managing lately. Kind. Together. Care. Kind. Together. Care. That's what neighbors are for. Mr. Chen, I need your help with something.
Of course. What's on your mind?
It's about Maya.
Next door. The sweet girl who waters my plants sometimes?
I can sew a dress, if we can find the right fabric.
I can help with a little money for materials.
We'll need to keep this a secret from Maya and Elena.
Agreed. Let's gather the whole street together.
I can do her hair and makeup for free. That would be wonderful, Sophia. I know exactly the style that would suit her.
This is really coming together nicely.
I'll start on the dress this weekend. I'll ask around about a good pair of shoes. I'll clear my schedule for prom day morning. Remember, everyone, not a word to Maya or Elena. This soft blue would suit her perfectly. It matches her mother's eyes, too. Let's bring this one home. It's been years since I made a dress like this. My own daughter never got her prom night. Maybe this is my way of giving that back. Hi, Mrs. Alvarez. Are you sewing something? Oh, just an old hobby of mine. It looks like a beautiful color.
You have a good eye, dear. Off you go now.
Is everything all right, you two?
Oh, yes, just talking about flowers.
Lovely flowers, very lovely. All right then, have a good evening. Maybe I'll just wear this one. It's not fancy, but it's clean and neat. It doesn't really matter what I wear anyway. I wish I could give her more. She never complains, but I know she wants this. I'll find a way, somehow, before prom night. You look tired, dear. Everything all right? Just thinking about prom and money, as always.
Don't worry so much. Things have a way of working out.
I hope you're right, Mrs. Alvarez. It's really coming together now. Just a little more lace here. She's going to look absolutely beautiful.
These should fit her perfectly. Simple, elegant, just right for the dress. I can't wait to see her face.
This style will really bring out her eyes. Soft curls, just a little sparkle. She's going to feel like a princess.
Secret. Love. Give.
Secret. Love. Give. That's what this whole street is doing.
Only 1 week until prom, Maya.
I know. It's coming up fast.
Are you excited? I'm looking forward to seeing everyone dressed up.
It's finished. It's truly finished. I hope she loves it as much as I loved making it. Just a few more days now.
Everything is ready on my end.
I've cleared my whole morning for her. The dress is finished and ready too.
Now we just need Elena's help with the surprise.
We've all been working on something for Maya. I don't understand. What do you mean? A dress, shoes, and hair all ready for prom night. You all did this for my daughter? Thank you. Thank you all so much. We just wanted her to have a wonderful night. This means more than I can say. That's exactly what neighbors are for, dear. Tomorrow's the night. This dress will be just fine. I'm going to have a good time, no matter what I wear. Big day today, sweetheart. Mom, you seem really excited about this. Can a mother be excited for her daughter? I guess so. You're acting a little strange, though. Good morning, Maya. Ready for a surprise? Sophia? What's going on? Today, we're making you feel like a star. Okay, now I'm really curious. Sophia, this looks amazing already. Just wait, we're only getting started. I've never had my hair done like this before. You're going to love what's coming next. We're here, right on time. Come in, she's almost ready.
I brought the shoes too, just as promised.
Let's go show her what we've made. You all did this together? For me? Every single one of us wanted to help.
The whole street cares about you, Maya.
You are so loved, sweetheart. Just a few more pins, and you're perfect. The hem falls exactly as I hoped. I feel like a completely different person. You look like exactly who you are. Beautiful.